Wasting your talent, Randy. Yeah. Ready?
It's like I'm paranoid, looking over my back. It's like a whirlwind inside of my head. It's like I can't stop what I'm hearing within. It's like the face inside is right.
Come on.
Why does it look like night today? Something inside's not right today. Why am I so uptight today? Paranoia is all I got left. I don't know what stressed me first or how the pressure was fed, but I know just what it feels like to feel a voice in the back of my head. It's like a face that I hold inside, face that wakes when I close my eyes, face that watches every time they lie, face that laughs every time they fall. So you know that when it's time to sink or swim, the face inside is hearing me right underneath my skin. Like I'm paranoid, looking over my back. It's like a whirlwind inside of my head. It's like I can't stop what I'm hearing within. It's like the face inside is right.
You know I love them, fuck them, love them, need them, cause I don't fucking need them. Think about the hood, people looking good, but I don't fucking feed them. First time they bust, I'm breathing. Talk about what's the reason? I'm a pivot every sense of the word, bitch. Better trust and believe them. In the cut where I keep them, till I need a nut, till I need to be the guts spinning. Beep, beep, and I'm picking them up, let them play with the dick in the truck. Many chicks wanna put you in business up. The boss on the split is fuck. Just because you got good hair, I'm a break brand, so you can be living it up. Shit, I cost for nothing, y'all be frontin'. Me give my heart to a woman, not for nothing, never happen. I'll be forever mackin'. Hardcore and passion, I got no passion, I got no patience, and I hate waiting. Hope get your ass in and let's ride. Check 'em out now, ride. Yeah, let's ride. Check 'em out now, ride. Yeah, we doing big camping, we spending G. Check 'em out now. Big camping on BLADs. We doing big pimping up in NYC. It's just that you